Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Today I bring you one of my favorite one-pot meals, tomato beef stew. The bright color from tomatoes, the layered textures from potatoes and beef, rich flavors from the soup. It is the perfect combination of beautiful colors, delicious taste, and appetizing smell. Plus, the antioxidant lycopene from tomatoes, excellent source of protein from the beef, and high amount of fiber from the potatoes. It is a well-balanced and nutritious dish for you and your family. Now follow me to my kitchen and let me show you how to cook this healthy and delicious tomato beef stew. I bought 2 pounds of beef. Today I'm going to use half of it. The best meat for this dish is located underneath the chunk, rib, or loin primal, which is called brisket, plate, or flank. Divide the meat, then cut into 1 to 2 inches cubes. Wash 3 mid-sized unvined tomatoes. Roughly cut into smaller pieces and set aside. To add another layer of texture to the dish, I peeled 1 mid-sized potato. Wash clean and cut into similar sizes as tomatoes. Then move on to blanch the meat. Cold water in the pot. Add beef cubes in. Then bring the water to a boil. Pick out the meat from the boiling pot, then drain the murky water. High heat on, pour 1 tablespoon cooking oil in the pan. Add 2 pieces of dried chili pepper and some peppercorns. When the oil is hot, add ginger slices in. Stir a few times. When you can smell the ginger, add the beef in. Stir and let it cook 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half tablespoon dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon cooking wine. Mix. I also add 1 teaspoon salt. Stir to let the seasoning ingredients evenly coat the meat. Cover the lid and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add half of the tomato cubes in. 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Mix. Then add enough water to completely soak the meat under. Cover the lid and let it cook until the water is boiling. Then turn the heat down to medium and let it simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour until the meat is soft to chew on. When the time is up, add the other half of tomato cubes and all the potatoes. Let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until the potato is fully cooked. Adjust the taste with some salt, sugar, and black peppers. Turn off the heat. Transfer the soup into a big bowl. Garnish with some chopped cilantros. This tomato beef stew is ready to serve. It smells really good. Cannot wait to have a bite. Scoop the soup into the rice bowl. Give it a generous amount to let the rice soak in the soup. Mix. Scoop up and enjoy. This is how to cook this healthy and delicious tomato beef stew. I hope you enjoy this video and give it a try. Leave a comment below and let me know if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy cooking at home videos every week. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!